Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today I'll be making crispy stuffed potato. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Potatoes can be used in many different ways. Fried, as in chips, baked, mashed, or simply boiled. This starch is sometimes waxy tuber, considered a root vegetable, can be seen in almost every kitchen because of its versatility. Today I'll be showing you another exciting tasty way in which you could use your potatoes. If you'd like to see me do this, then please continue watching. For my stuffed potatoes, I'm going to prepare some mince and I'm going to take it from this to this. While the mince is cooling, I'm going to prepare my potatoes. Boil your potatoes until they're tender. Now that our potato is crushed and cool, I'm going to season it. I didn't boil mine with salt, so I'm going to put a little salt in it right now. And you know the all-purpose is my salt. And at this stage, I'm going to put some more seasoning. I'm going to add some garlic. Remember, season if you want. You can leave it plain, but I want a little flavor. So I'm adding some powdered garlic. I'm going to use a little white pepper. Normally I would use some Scotch bonnet, diced finely, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use a little white pepper. You don't have to use pepper if you don't want the spice. Now I'm going to use some spring onions, but I'm only using the green part, just for color and flavor. You may grate some onion or grate some garlic in yours. At this stage you could use an egg, but because I don't want egg in mine, I'm going to use some potato starch, or you can use flour. Now we get our hands in and we actually need, as if you're making a dumpling, we need the starch to keep everything together. Now this looks as if it's combined properly, so I'm going to allow it now. Leave it for a while and get the other things ready. Now I have half cup of cornstarch and I'm going to add some rice flour, but you can just use plain flour. I want the crisp, that's why I'm adding rice flour. Now I'll be adding some cheese in mine, some shredded cheese, but you can dice a piece of cheese and put it in. Now, as I said, you can use vegetables like cabbage, mushroom, whatever, or even leftover meat, shredded small or chopped in small pieces to fill your pie. Now we're going to add some meat. Remember, we can't add too much, but add enough. Then add some cheese if you want cheese, and then we start closing it. Just keep pushing it the sides, creating a kind of a patty or a ball, whatever shape you desire. And you keep rocking it side by side. And this is where you put it in the mixture of flour or cornstarch to get that crisp. Put it down. Now you're going to roll it. It's very soft, so be very careful. And these are very large ones, but if you want to make some little small ones for, you know, appetizers and lunch kit, you can. Now we're going to use a ladle to put it in the oil. because you don't want it to get burned. So we're going to gently put it in the oil. I will be deep frying, so in my pot I have about 3 cups of oil, or enough to cover each patty. Very careful you don't break it. You don't want the filling to spill, yeah? So I'm going to be very careful this time. Now you know this is done when it becomes golden brown. Now that they're golden brown, you decide if you want it darker than this. But I'm comfortable with this color, so I'm going to remove them from the pot. Now these are very large, but if you want to make them smaller, you could. Look at this, guys. Deliciously seasoned mashed potato filled with a spicy meat, in this case ground mince. Delicious. If you love shepherd's pie, then this is actually individual shepherd's pie in a crispy pouch. Guys, this is a winner. Trust me, deliciously spicy and crispy. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.